What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair red, so y'all pray for me. Okay, so this is my first time ever dyeing my hair, so I watched a whole bunch of tutorials and they said to dye it on dirty hair, not clean hair. So I'm taking down my install that I did of my quick weave. If you didn't watch that video, you need to go watch that video first and then come back to this, because get my views up. Don't be stingy. Watch it. So yeah, I'm taking down my hair and I'm watching One Piece. Y'all know the vibes. If you're an anime girly, fuck with me. If not, you need to get into it. But yeah, I'm taking down my hair. Do not mind my faces, y'all. I make the craziest facial expressions. Just my face is very expressionative. I don't know. But anywho, taking down my hair, and yeah, I'm parting it because I'm not trying to end up on one of those fail videos. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so I want to do it right. You know, my hair kind of long, so I don't want to lose it. I don't want to be bald yet. I want that to be my choice, and this ain't the time. So yeah, just watch me. And now that I've said that, like, speaking of bald, I really could just take this time to talk about how many times I've let others, like stylists, people, play in my hair, and I've ended up losing hair. So like, I've just reached that point in my life now where it's like, let me DIY, because y'all DIYing in my shit. Let me DIY, let me learn, let me figure out what works best for me, and let me have a ball. I'm learning, I'm having new experiences, and at the end of the day, it is just hair. It is just hair. It does not define you. Do not let your hair define you. Do not become those people that live or die by their hair. It is just hair. That's my TED Talk. Thank you for listening. Back to the tutorial, or the watch me fuck up my hair tutorial. I don't know. Just watch it and have a ball with me. Okay, don't ask me why I haven't fixed that, like those few drops of bleach sitting there right on my part. I don't know. So we're gonna keep going, okay? While I apply this bleach rather crazily and unexperienced like the person I am, I'm going to tell y'all basically the first experience of how I got a bald spot. I feel like I might as well tell y'all this story now, because if I'm going to be doing hair tutorials and, installs and everything in between dealing with my hair, y'all are going to see the bald spot eventually. So I might as well just talk about it now. So, and no, this is not one of those, my mom permed my hair and I lost it at a young age, but it kind of is in a way. So when I was younger, I used to always like bubblegum, like Hubba Bubba, Bubblicious, all of that. And my mom always used to tell me, spit out that gum before I go to bed. So it was like 2 occasions. Like one time I fell asleep with it in my mouth and I woke up with it on the side of my face. The other time I fell asleep with it in my mouth, when I woke up, it was in my hair. The side that I'm working on, actually. So like if you looking at me part my hair, like you will actually see it. And I think I edited the video a little bit so that you wouldn't see it as bad, but look right there, you see it? Okay, so the gum literally was dead smack, like right there, like all in that part of my head. And there was nothing my mama could do. Nothing. It's something I will never forget. There was nothing she could do besides cut it out. And for some reason, it has never grown back. Like, I don't know why, but that spot has been a problem point in my life for like my whole existence since that has happened. If you ask anybody around me, I literally am so insecure about that bald spot, but I'm working on it and I'm just really learning to embrace it, because at this point I've tried Miracle Drops, I've tried hair growth oil, I've tried Do Grow, I've tried biotin, I've tried almost everything under the sun to grow this spot back. So I need to just embrace it, because I truly don't feel like it's coming back. I mean, it's thin, it's see-through at this point, and it's only getting worse because I started wearing wigs. You know, in college I started experimenting with wigs and didn't know that the combs cause tension and braids cause tension, and everything causes tension and pulling, which results in more hair falling out and it getting thinner and thinner. So what once was a smaller bald spot is now like basically the whole corner of my head is like a thin little spot that I feel like slowly but surely continues to recede. So I like told myself a couple years ago that if it did get to like the point of no return, that I would just go ahead and tattoo the side of my head. So it'll be like from my temple all the way down to the back of my neck. And I think it'll be a cool little piece. So if any tattoo artist is like listening and has any cool ideas, because I typically do all my tattoos, like I have the idea, the concept, everything like that. Yeah, I would love to be in contact with you. Now let's get back into this bleaching moment. I'm really just touching it up. So I got it done professionally the first time. The lady, she was great. She used high color highlights because my hair was naturally black and she didn't want to use bleach. So she did that method and it took really well. I'll insert a picture on the screen somewhere of how it looked when it first got dyed or not dyed. I don't know. When it first got done, red. But now, if you're wondering why I didn't go back to her, I truly want to say it came down to our schedules. You know, she is building a business, so she has a daytime job, and I'm a content creator and bartender, so I work at night, and our schedules just will always collide, and it just wouldn't match up at all. So since I didn't really feel comfortable going to anybody else, that's how we ended up here, watching this video, me doing this voiceover as I bleach my hair, doing something I've never done before. Now, I will tag her below if you are in the Dallas DFW area. She is a phenomenal hairstylist. She definitely helped me come out of my shell and be more comfortable experimenting with colors. So I'll definitely leave her information below. And if any of her services tickle your fancy, definitely feel free to book her and tell her I sent you. Okay, now that I'm in like the last quadrant of my hair, I'm starting to notice the first quadrant that I worked on is lifting, and I'm shocked. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I thought my hair would just start falling out because I didn't really have high hopes. I just was in the mindset of if my hair falls out, cool, it's time to be bald. If not, cool, I'm red. So I guess it's not a high bar to jump over, but we made it and it's starting to lift. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let this keep going, and then I'm about to wash my hair. To show y'all real quick, this is what it look like. And y'all, please wear motherfucking gloves if you do this. Look at my fingers. Weird. Okay, but yeah, I think it's about time. I couldn't see the back, and I just was watching Mondo Reacts, or Ex Mondo, and he was making fun of this girl because she couldn't see the back. He was like, next time, you know, look at the back. And I just want to see, so when I see it on camera, what the fuck it's looking like. My boyfriend told me I got the back, but I hope I actually did. And we're gonna see. I'm just gonna try and catch with the last remaining part of this bleach. I'm about to go wash my hair because at this point, anything else would probably be damaging, and then I would be bald. So I'll see y'all in a second. So I washed everything out and I look like Rengoku. No, for real, I look like Rengoku. And what the fuck is this? I swear I thought I had a big old bald patch, but it's just blonde. I'm about to wash this out. I'll let it sit for an hour and some, and we're gonna see. I'll be back in the morning. Overall, it came out really good. I can't complain about the results at all. If you want to see how I styled my hair, check out my Instagram. I installed a quick weave with leave out. And that's about it, you guys. Thank you for tuning in and watching to this part. I love you guys and see you next time.